Шинэ, жилийн, мэндчилгээ. I appreciate this opportunity to pass on New Year's greetings. From a U.S. Embassy perspective, it's been a very good year. One highlight was, of course, when President Eldtton visited the White House and met with President Obama in June. And then only a couple of months later, Vice President Biden came to Mongolia, met both the President and Prime Minister here, and of course also enjoyed a mini Naadam. We also wish Mongolians all the best wishes on the 100th anniversary of their reassertion of independence, which is celebrated on December 29th. And of course, on the embassy side, we celebrated the 20th anniversary of both the U.S.A. and Peace Corps in Mongolia, institutions that have made a wonderful contribution over the years. Looking ahead, 2012 also is a big year. January 27th marks the 25th anniversary of the bilateral relationship between our two countries. And throughout the year, the embassy will be making efforts, along with our friends in Mongolia, to look to ways to acknowledge and to celebrate our relationship that has gone from strength to strength over this past quarter century. Again, finally, and on a personal note, I do want to express appreciation to the people of Mongolia. On behalf of my family, we've been able to travel throughout the country, all 21 provinces, and really do appreciate the hospitality that's been shown to us everywhere across this great and beautiful country. So thank you once again. Happy New Year. Шинэ, жилийн, мэндчилгээ, and all the best for 2012.